Namaskar. This is Abhishek from NSTL. Welcome you to NPS की पाठशाला. We are happy to bring yet another video on NPS for you, which we have created during this lockdown. Considering the current scenario, in this video we will try to address few questions that we came across during our interactions with subscribers, like how my fund in NPS are performing, is my money safe, what are my NPS returns, how it is faring with other financial products, should I revisit my investment pattern, etc. And it is quite natural also to have these questions in mind looking at the current economic condition. In order to address these concerns, we have attempted to make this video. For ease of understanding, we have made the video into two parts. In first part, we will discuss how NPS has performed and how it is fared against comparable product in mutual fund industry. And in second part, we would discuss returns of different pension fund managers across different asset class combination based on popular perception of risk profile. During this lockdown, we have been constantly interacting with various corporates and NPS subscribers through various mode of communication like webinar, video call, conference call, etc. Not only this, through emailers and customized web page, we have communicated to subscribers to stay connected with NPS digitally. During these interactions, we got a sense that people are a lot more concerned about their NPS investments, especially in this time of financial slowdown. So let's talk about how NPS has performed and how it is fared with similar investment products. But before we discuss the specific, we need to understand where we generally invest our savings and the objective of investment. We generally invest in instruments like fixed deposit, mutual funds, ULIP, stock market, etc. Well, each of these instruments is different in terms of tenure, that is short term and long term, risk and return associated with it, liquidity, investment pattern, etc. And hence these instruments complement each other to form a perfect investment mix to achieve different financial goals of a person. If you talk about NPS investment, it is a long-term investment with a specific objective of retirement planning and needs different investment strategy, and hence it has different investment pattern, risk profile, returns generated than other financial instruments. As such, NPS investment will not compete with other instruments you have in your investment kitty, but will only complement one's wealth creation and financial stability. We have already discussed features and benefits of NPS in our earlier videos, which are available on this channel. We request you to watch these videos to have in-depth understanding of NPS. While you must have come across quite a few videos from financial experts about investment in various instruments like stock market, PPF, ELSS, etc., we as NSDL CRA will focus on performance of NPS as we think it is the most effective and popular investment option for retirement planning. To evaluate the performance of NPS investment, we have to compare apple with an apple. That is, it needs to be compared with similar investment product. Here we have compared performance of NPS government scheme with performance of a mutual fund. Now your obvious question would be, why NPS government scheme when NPS implemented for individual and corporate sector as well, and why compare with mutual fund when there are other financial products? This is because of three specific reasons. First, investment of NPS government scheme is done in a combination of debt and equity related instruments. This investment pattern is very much similar to the mutual fund investments, and that is the reason why invariably people compare performance of NPS with mutual fund. Second, the mandatory contribution of government employees in NPS works like a systematic investment plan or SIP of mutual fund. That is, contribution are made every month by deduction from salary and further employer contribution. You know how discipline in investment is necessary to build a large corpus, and SIP can help us achieving that. And third, NPS government scheme has track record of more than 10 years. For any meaningful comparison, particularly in retirement product, it is necessary to have a long term view. Now under NPS government sector, which comprises of central and state government employees, state government employees are largest in number. Currently, more than 40 lakh subscribers are associated with the state government sector. Hence, we have selected NPS state government scheme for comparison. NPS state government scheme is a single scheme where NPS contribution of all the employees of state governments and union territory of the country is invested. As most of you may not be aware of the investment pattern of NPS state government scheme, let me start with explaining the same to all of you. In this scheme, up to 15% is getting invested in equity and equity related instruments, and remaining 85% in debt and debt related instruments like corporate bond and government securities. This is on the similar line of a conservative hybrid mutual fund. So, we would be comparing the performance of NPS state government scheme with that of conservative hybrid mutual fund having similar investment pattern. Hybrid mutual fund are popularly known as balance fund. We have not compared the NPS scheme where equity exposure is at higher side like aggressive choice where equity exposure is 75% consciously for two reasons. One, this scheme represents the larger subscriber base in NPS, and second, in the second video we are going to compare returns of different investment choices under NPS like aggressive, moderate, conservative and ultra conservative. There viewers will get a fair idea how NPS funds with large equity allocation has performed over the various time zone. To start with, let's see how NPS state government scheme has performed in past years. As you can see on the screen, this is the performance of NPS state government scheme. We have taken the return as on 31st March 2020 so that we can evaluate the performance of last 3, 5 and 10 financial years. As you may be aware that to avoid the concentration risk, the contribution of government employees are proportionately invested in 3 fund managers, that is SBI, UTI, LIC. These returns we have arrived by simply taking average of returns generated by all the 3 pension fund managers, that is SBI, LIC and UTI, which invest NPS fund of state government employees. To compare these with mutual fund, we have shortlisted the large fund houses and taken the returns of conservative hybrid mutual fund offered by them having a track record of past 3, 5 and 10 years as on 31st March 2020. While selecting the fund, we have selected those hybrid funds which have proportion of equity between 20 to 25% and debt between 75 to 80%, which are nearly comparable with NPS state government scheme, where the equity and debt investment are in proportion of 15 and 85%. Here are the returns generated by the different fund houses. We have calculated average of all funds for 3, 5 and 10 years. Now you can see in all the time horizon, NPS has clearly outperformed the average returns generated by these schemes of 6 fund houses. We saw the difference in the returns in terms of percentage. Now we will check how these higher returns in NPS will have impact on the actual corpus of a person can accumulate over these periods, that is 3, 5 and 10 years. Let's take an example of a state government employee. Assume that employee's monthly salary is 25,000, then 5,000 per month including both employee and employer part will go for NPS investment. And for a simple calculation, we assume that the contribution amount will remain the same for 3, 5 and 10 years. Though generally contribution amount of a government employee will increase over a period of time due to increase in salary. So you can see on the screen the corpus generated by NPS state government scheme and mutual fund over 3, 5 and 10 years. If the same amount get invested in the conservative hybrid mutual fund scheme which we have discussed. You can see the clear difference between the corpus accumulated in NPS and similar mutual fund scheme. If we talk in percentage term, you can generate approximately 10% more corpus in NPS than in mutual fund. Here we have compared for 10 years. However, this difference will be a considerable amount if you stay invested for 30-35 years, which is normally a service span of a government employee, and for anybody who is saving for retirement. And if you increase the contribution amount, let's say 50,000 in place of 5,000, which is normally a case for those who are in higher pay band, the difference is considerably high. The difference of amount will be 10 times higher than it was in case of monthly contribution of 5,000. This we can see on the screen. For 10 years, the corpus generated by NPS is approximately 10 lakhs higher than hybrid mutual fund. Not only individual subscriber, but the government employees can also increase their contribution towards NPS by making self contribution over and above monthly salary deduction, similar to voluntary contribution in EPF. This additional contribution will not only increase the adequacy of retirement kitty, but also increase monthly pension in hand. So, looking at the comparison, you must be now more confident regarding your NPS investments. If you are regularly investing in NPS, looking at retirement planning and continue to invest for a long term, you are on right track. But this is not the end of the story. Apart from returns and better performance than similar mutual fund scheme, there are other attributes of NPS which make NPS unique from other financial products. Three major points that we would like to bring to your notice. One, it is designed to get pension after retirement. It is a mechanism where you can stay invested for 2 to 3 decades, and that is what required if you are investing for your retirement. Most importantly, you will reap the maximum benefit if you invest regularly like SIP, as we have discussed for government employees. Number 2 is customized investment option. Not only fund manager you can change in NPS, but also decide the approach of investment, whether you would like to participate actively in asset allocation, or it would be life stage investment considering your risk taking capacity based on age. Most importantly, there is no tax incidence when you change your fund manager or investment approach, unlike changing a scheme or fund manager in mutual fund. You can watch our video on investment option available on this channel. The third point is cost effectiveness. When you invest in mutual fund, charges are based on corpus. In percentage term, it is called as a expense ratio. The expense ratio of the mutual fund scheme we have discussed are shown on the screen. You can see on the screen the average of expense ratio is 1.93%. And in case of NPS, the cost structure is very negligible. You can see in the chart it is 17 basis point. It is considered as the cheapest retirement scheme available as on date. You can find the comparison of fee and charges under NPS on NPS Trust website, where charge ratio and equivalent asset fee have been mentioned. The concept of charge ratio and equivalent asset fee has been taken from Working Paper 6 of the International Organizations of Pension Supervisors. So, if you invest say 50,000 per year both in NPS and similar mutual fund, and they generate the same returns, for example 9%, then because of this cost structure, NPS will generate approximately 85,000 more corpus as shown on the screen. Thus, after comparing returns generated and cost associated with NPS investment with that of investment in comparable mutual fund, we are of the opinion, and we are sure that you will also agree with us, that as a retirement product, NPS stands out clearly among other financial products. That's all for this video. In the second part of this video series, we will discuss performance of pension fund managers under NPS in terms of different asset class mix, where we shall discuss which pension fund managers have performed better with a given asset class mix. You may also tell your friends and colleagues to watch this video to know how NPS has performed, so that they can take an informed decision. Please subscribe our channel to get more such video on NPS. Till then, goodbye and stay safe. Thank you.